Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika, and this is Fanika TV coming to you guys with another cooking video, guys. Today we are cook some sweet and sour chicken, yes, for dinner, and some basmati rice. So stay tuned for that, guys. So yeah, remember you can find me on other platforms at Fanika TV, and also on Facebook you can find me at Erica Shackelford. Guess what, guys? I need 2,000 more people to get to 100,000 on Facebook. So yeah, guys, please, if you are seeing me for the first time, you can go over to my Facebook channel and follow me on Facebook. I post there daily. Yes, also I post everywhere daily. I'm always on social media posting. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for this epic, beautiful video, and I hope you guys open your mouth to water with when me I cook today, guys. We're cooking some sweet and sour chicken, some basmati rice. Remember to subscribe. Do not pass this video and don't subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Let's get to 30,000 subscribers by the end of February. So yeah, guys, may I prep the meat? So me have some chicken breast. Well, then tough like rocks, you know, like me have them. I'm uneven the breast when me did want. The one them for just fleshy and just have like sauce of bone. But we can do nothing else more than just take when we get. So yeah, guys, when I go prep the meat them and stuff. So I have some vinegar. I have to go. I even know if I go use so much. But we will see. I go cut them up fine. Yeah, we go cut them up very, very fine, guys. See meat. Okay. The have bone in it. I never want the one with the bone. But all of them have bone, so I have to go use them. Anyway, guys, so I go prep the meat. Make it go and soak a little bit in the vinegar. Tough like rocking. Never want them tough, so I'm gonna try cut them up, guys. I'm gonna try get them cut up and cutting board and stuff. And yeah, and then that's what we're gonna be doing first. I'm gonna cut up everything. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. We're making my first time making sweet and sour chicken. So I hope I do a very good job, guys. Yeah, right? So stay tuned. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel. Do not watch the video and don't subscribe. Yeah. So now go use no skin. So I really want the skin. They don't want. I never want none with no bone, but I have to work with it same way. I will try to cut it as fine as possible, guys. Into small, biteable pieces. Small pieces. Or small like this. Yeah. I'll try to cut it now. The bone I have to cut up. That's why I never want no bone. No. I never want no bone. I see the bone now go cut up. I mean even have chopper. I just go cut off the bone part of the meat and put it one side. Happy a bone. guys. So I'm back here bone this. The types of my meat. Go get them and chop up fine. Chicken cut up and everything. Me just go season it. Me just season it with some Maggi chicken season. Try some Maggi seasoning. And then I go put some jerk some jerk sauce, some jerk season on it as well. And I have some. I'm wait to it. Alright, so guys, I have some soya sauce. Some soya sauce. I go put some on it, even though I go use it. How did I pull this last time? Okay. Alright, some soya sauce. I'll get that mix up. I'll get it mixed up, guys, and marinated. Make it just, rest like a couple minutes. Hey guys, so see here. Hey guys, see how fine it cut up? Yeah. So we cut it up fine. Alright guys, so I'm gonna cover it up and make it marinate. And then we are gonna get the we're gonna use a different bowl now to make like a flour pea. Go half cup of flour. And I think we need more. Take a bit more. Flour. I really do measurements and so, but we are try, right? We are try if you do measurements. Let me not try if you do the measurement. Me just have baking powder. I have no, me have to go get some measurements. I don't even go using, so in essence, some baking powder. I know we have the great cornstarch. We have some cornstarch, guys. But me I go use the. Also this. I don't want to use too much. Right. Then we go mix it up together. And then we go add small amount of water. I don't want to use this too much water. I have to go put a bit more water. Water. I don't want the water too. I don't want it too runny and I don't want it too thick. So me I go want like a little bit more water, guys. More water. Little bit more water. Little bit more water on this thing because it's too thick. Come make people then see now this. Hey guys. So I'll go and mix it a little more. Little bit more. Alright guys, so this is good enough. We're gonna add the marinated chicken inside of it. mix it up together. Oh, we are gonna make it stay in a little bit. Right, guys? So here he is. Here he is. We'll get them a fry and ready, guys. Fry and ready. Alright, guys. So we go make the pot hot, and then we get the chicken fried, and let's see how this. All right, guys. So we'll get the chicken fry. Try getting everything one time down. Talaga. Plan. Plan. Fried dumpling. Meanwhile, the chicken them are fry. I cut up my onion and my sweet pepper, or bell pepper, whatsoever. Sweet pepper we call it in Jamaica. Or then call it sweet bell pepper in Jamaica too, because this man here one bigger. One big woman I call it bell pepper. I don't really want too much onion, just want a little piece. I don't need that one purple onion. No, see. Just want a little bit up on the side. A lady we sell, we sell me most of the fruits then, guys. She say nobody no want buy all the stuff, so she said nobody no want buy the yellow. Want a sharper knife. Okay, guys, I think this is enough. The middle, the red. So now didn't take me out. Hey guys, so got up a red one. That's my dish pretty. Alright guys, so let me cut up now. I think we need more than this amount, right? I think we need more than that. So yeah guys, cut up my season them. I will make my sauce. Just I go show you what me I use for my sauce. I use soy sauce, some ketchup, some sugar, and some red stripe. Yeah, sweet. It's our remember that's a sweet as a mix. It's a mixture, right? So I go use some of this for the sauce. So yeah guys, stay tuned. I go finish. I go after me done started, then I go container here. Add some sugar. Add like 2 spoons of sugar. Some ketchup. Some nice Chinese soy sauce again, guys. Yeah. And some Jamaican red stripe sorrel beer. Yeah, add to it as well. I will mix it around. Okay, guys, so this is our sauce to sweet and sour chicken. Alright. So then do this thing right. Okay, guys. So we are starting with. Okay, guys. So we are going to add in the sauce. There we go. Okay, guys. Sauce add in. Now we just look. Tingnan din na di ba kamati kumatap. Guys, we're going to make it kind of boil a little before I add the chicken. Nice. Okay, guys. Make it just simmer down a little before it come to a little boil. It smells sweet and so already. Alright guys, so we're gonna add in the chicken. The chicken in our sauce. I think it makes time less. That's true. Put in the sauce. Guys, we're marinating the sauce. That looks like it, guys. Looking like it. Just keep on marinating. Guys, Sweet, sour. Yeah, I like how it look, guys. Love how it looks. Yeah. Hey guys, this is rice. I'm gonna use some basmati. This is brand basmati rice. I'm gonna use. Me use guys. See rice cut here. I have onion. I have one little scallion in here. I'm gonna add in the rice. I'm gonna put some salt after me adding rice. So yeah, guys. We need no more rice than that because it's supposed to swell. Supposed to swell and swell good. You have one packet, so like this spoon stir rice in it. Guys, I think me think this supposed to can do. I think me need no more rice. Cause my son not even eat rice, white rice, and like rice and peas. So I just go left make that steam, and so I go add some salt to it. So yeah, guys. So this is the finishing of the sweet and sour chicken, guys. Tell me how me do for my first time. I think it looks really nice. I'm gonna sprinkle some sesame seeds on it. So yeah, it's official, guys. This is my sweet and sour chicken with my basmati rice and some lettuce and tomato on the side. Yeah, guys, tell me. It looks good. It smells good. Yes, guys. Mm. So yeah, guys, it's the end of another video. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Hit those post notification bell, guys.